Mother, something wrong?
That ruined stone, carved by a left-handed person. So there should be calluses on his left hand. But this boy's hand is soft. No calluses.
You suspect Boris would dare deceive me?
Patience. A child who can carve such a rune is not like these fools. Let's see how long this charade lasts.
Lady Skader, why are you back alone? Where's that little bastard?
That little trat must die. She stole something from a high lord, caught in the act. That little bastard will be thrown into the arena and devoured by beasts. Come on, let's go serve in the front courtyard. Maybe we'll get some rewards.
Leora's in danger. What do I do? What do I do? Leora, I can't just sit here and die, even if it kills me. That's it. Soulburn.
Stillness of the night, a gentle breeze begins to sigh as memories start to take flight. We're lost in this world of mine.
Cain? Is it him? No, he can't be here.
Who is that?
Just a rabbit slave. This way, please.
You crazy mongrel! Want to die? You dared to run?
Please, please let me see Leora. I'm begging you, please.
You want to see that little bastard? I'll send you to hell to see her right now.
A rune that tricks you into feeling full. Only someone starving and desperate would create it.
Mama, eat, then you won't die.
This ruden stone, it tears my heart apart. Lucas, why did you create such a ruined stone? Your Majesty.
Get out!
A pampered Linux like you, who's never starved for even one single day. How could you possibly create a rune meant to fool yourself and your mother into surviving? Who is that female beast in your rune, who's dying of hunger? Speak!
I heard it.
From who?
I don't remember. I only know her name. Elena.
What else did you hear? Tell me!
I also heard she has a half-breed brat living as a slave somewhere. If she messes up, she gets beaten, goes days without eating.
How could this be?
Your Majesty, Queen Mother, Lucas was born with the gift of empathy. He can't stand slaves suffering. Whenever he senses their suffering, he puts it into his runes.
That's how we got that. Is that so? Then right here, in front of me, carve another one.
Wait!
Why are you holding it in your right hand?
Did you really carve that room in stone?
It wasn't me! Leora carved it! Every rune carved with her blood, drained from her.
That little thief?
What thief?
Queen Mother, that little thief would steal anything. She even dared to take His Majesty's dragonbone hairpin.
A thief? Stole the hairpin? Cain, didn't you leave yours at the palace?
These two hairpins, they're identical.
I didn't! My mother gave it to me!
Leora, she's my child with Elena.
Talk! What's going on here?
All the runes! Leora carved them all! And her mother is Elena! I told you everything! Please don't kill me!
I actually ordered my own daughter to be whipped.
What?
Where is Leora?
They're all back there!
One! 2! 3! Beat her to death! House Borash is the Beast Emperor's favorite now. We've come up in the world.
You bastard. You're not worth feeding.
I'm calling it Beat Her to Death!
Her spirit-locking shackles are gone. How did she escape?
She ran out!
Mom, you gave me that pin. I didn't steal it. Do you believe me?
I believe you, Leora. There must be some mistake. We'll go tell them the truth.
Filthy rabbit. Who do you think you are? You see such an honored guest? If you dare offend them.
Killing you now would be a favor to the lords.
I'll do it.
Stop! Mama! Stop! Please don't hurt my mother!
My daughter didn't steal anything. We didn't steal! Stop wasting time. This filthy rabbit dies here today.
Fine. You take the daughter, I'll take the mother.
Elena, Leora, wait for me. Please be safe.
Watch closely. This is how your mother dies.
Click the link below to watch the full video.